morning students. Today we are going to learn what is ratio, proportion and unitary method. Let's see. Ratio, proportion and unitary method. Okay. So see, a ratio is a relation between two quantities of the same kind that is measurable in the same unit, or you can say comparing between two quantities. Okay. So here you see, if I write 20 kg rice, 20 kg rice and 10 kg sugar. Okay, so now you see this 20 kg rice and sugar both are in quantities, right? So we can measure in quantities way. So we'll compare these two quantities. Okay, now so if we compare these two quantities, then we'll write there is in ratio. Okay, so here relation between two quantities, that means same thing. So 20 kg, the first quantity is 20 kg and second quantity is 10 kg. So we'll make ratio, we'll make relation between these quantities. So how we will write ratio of first quantities to the second quantities. Okay, so here first quantity is what, 20 kg, and second quantity is 10 kg, right? 20 kg rice, 10 kg sugar, 20 kg. Now we are making ratio, we are making relation between two quantities, then we will give this relation symbol. Now we will give, you see these quantities, we will give one relation symbol. This relation symbol means make ratio. This relation symbol means ratio. Okay, right. Now see 20 kg, 10 kg written in between. Here symbol given, this one is called ratio. Okay, now this one will, this ratio symbol, now you hear one line given, that one is division sign. Yes, now here first quantity is written in numerator and second quantity is written in denominator, and 0 0 cut, right? Now here 2 by 1. So this 2 by 1, numerator 1 will write first and denominator will write in second. Now you can say, you can read like that, 2:1. Okay, so you 2:1. Now you see in right side, I will write here 20:10. Okay, so this 20:10, write this one, numerator is 20, first quantity is numerator. Okay, so 20 will write in above. Okay, denominator 10. So you can, if you cut 0 0, then it will be 2:1. Okay, so 20:10. So this 20:10, their equivalent, so equivalent is 2:1. Now see in reversely, here first written first quantities, second quantities. If I write ratio of second quantities to the first quantities, then this will be, so here second quantity is 10 kg and first quantity is 20 kg. So here you see there will be 10 kg and there will be 20 kg. Now okay, now you will write in division way, 20 by 10. Now if I cut 0 0, then this will be 1 by 2, right? The ratio is 1:2. Okay, so next from there 1 by 2, this 1 by 2 is like a division. So ratio is also, you can say ratio of two numbers means division of one number by other number. Okay, so here 2 by 11 written, the equivalent ratio will be, you see, if we multiply it by 2 by both number, then their equivalent ratio will be 4 by 22. So 2:11, equivalent number equal to 4:22. Now proportion. Okay, an equality of two ratios is called proportion. So here two ratios, 2:3, another ratio is 6:9, right? If these two ratios are equal, then we can say these are in proportion. Okay, so here what is there, 2:3, another one is 6:9. So you see there 6 by 9, 2:3, that means 2 by 3, and 6:9, that means 6 by 9. If I cut, then 2 here is 2 by 3. Now both ratios are equal. Okay, so we can say this one what? These are proportion. So this 2:3 and 6:9, these are in equal, so we can symbolically this one will can write these are in proportion. Let's see. Here you see 2:3, and here afterward in place of equality, here equality, right? So equal in place of equal will give 4 dots. Okay, like that. You see, I will give here. You see 2:3, and then this symbol, fourth dot symbol, is called proportion, and then 6:9. So okay, 2:3 proportion, 6:9. Understood? So now see, another way, if 4 numbers is given and these 4 numbers are in proportion or not, we can check how. Like, so first two quantities, you see, first 2 and last one is 9, so this one is extreme, and there in between where 3 and 6, this one is means. So if I multiply this first quantity to the last quantity, that means extreme, product of extreme. Now there is product of extreme is what? 18. Same way, there means what? 3 and 6, product of this means. So if the product of extreme and product of means are same, you see here 3 into 6 and 3 into 9, that means both product is 8. So if the product of extremes and product of means are same, then we can say these quantities are in proportion. Okay, so now next, unitary. This method, we find the value of one unit from the value of given numbers of the units. So here in this method, in unitary method, that means you have to find the value of one unit first, then we'll solve the remain. So let's see the one example. The cost of 10 kg of rice is rupees 68, and what will be the cost of 8 kg rice? So from this example, first we will find the cost of 1 kg rice, and then we'll find the 8 kg rice. So here this 1 means unitary, that first you have to find the value of one things, then you have to find the others. Understood? So first you see in the solution, we'll write like that. You see here cost of 10 kg rice is what? 68. So we'll write cost of 10 kg rice is 68, and then we'll find the cost of 1 kg. So here cost of 1 kg is 68 by 10, it will be 6.8, and then we'll find the cost of 8 kg. The cost of 8 kg rice, rupees 6.8 into 8, then that means here 54.4. So this is the cost of 8 kg.